Now Faith Kipyegon. She's only raced.
Ateng'eri Faith Kipyegon na Winnie Chebet ni makorwo makigata tigiti wa ikereka ria semi-finals yenye ria mita 1500 thini wa mahenya mathi maria marathi na mbere bururi-ini wa Qatar DOHA. Faith erikirie ari wa keri thini wa hiti ya mbere thutha wa Sifan Hassan wa bururi wa Netherlands akihuthira reka inya na sekondi 3.93.
And a really good run there by the Briton Sarah McDonald who came through.
Nake Winnie Chebet thini wa hiti ya keri arikia ari o wa keri akihuthira reka inya na sekondi 8 thutha wa Morocco Rababe Arafi.
And Hull 4:08:32.
Riu nyarari ici gatungana ciothe ikereka-ini ria semi-finals muthi wa Jumaa kiumia giki.
100 meters. It's been pretty slow so far.
Naguo hwae wa ira muteng'eri Ferguson Cheruiyot Rotich arakorwo agikira mondo ngoga yake ya mbere thini wa mahenya mathi akiyukia ngoga ya bronze ihenya-ini ria mita 800.
42.34. What a time! It's a new US record. He smashed Johnny Gray's record that stood for 34 years.
Rotich ndagira hotire kuhitha gikeno giake.
For sure it has been tough. My aim was to finish in the podium and it has come. For the last 3 or this one was 4th one. And I have achieved my dream.
Gukinyeria riu bururi urugameire namba 4 murugamo-ini wa ngoga uri na ngoga 2 cia dhahabu na 2 cia bronze.
A really good run there by the Briton Sarah McDonald who came.
Ngiribotera methe ya mathako ya Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Mugure wa Karuiru.